What's going on, pumpkin people? We're back for the 2026 giant pumpkin season. Our goal this year, 1,200 pounds, and we're gonna get it done. Today we're gonna be soil sampling our patch, and just a few tools that you're gonna need to do the sampling of your patch is a soil probe here, stainless steel, or it's aluminum, one or the other, but you pick these up on Amazon, fairly cheap, 30 bucks. General use of this is you want to sample about 8 to 10 inches into the soil. We're going to probe into the ground, into the patch, twist and pull, and then you're going to see the soil is going to be up on this rod, and you're going to push up and get the soil out of the tool here into a bucket. So we're going to take a good amount of samples. I do a lot more samples than most people. I'll probably take 20 or so probes and just a grid pattern of our 30 by 30 area. We'll put them into the bucket, mix up really well, and that will give us a good representation of our soil. And then we can make the proper adjustments once we get our results back. And everyone asks me, what's the key to growing giant pumpkins? This is probably one of the bigger ones, so definitely go back and reference this video. It all starts with your soil. If you have bad soil, you're gonna have a bad year. You've gotta have good soil to grow a giant pumpkin. So get yourself a soil sample. A good sample starts with you. Your bucket needs to be semi-clean. You don't want any contaminants. Some of these soil probes, I think some of them are metal, and they rust, and that could throw off your sample. So that's why I think this is aluminum or stainless steel, so it shouldn't rust. So that will help our soil samples. Well, let's just get right into it. Nothing much to it here. Let's go check it out. All right, we're in the patch here, and I'm just gonna show you real quick how to collect the soil sample. So let's see, I back up a little bit so you can see what I'm doing here. So the first thing I do, move away the debris on top of the soil, probably like an inch or two. Take your soil probe. You want to just lean on top of it and work it in 6 to 8 inches down. And you pull it up. Get this nice core sample, right? So that's a good representation of what's in your soil. So obviously the top is going to be what's on the surface. As you get lower on the probe, that's deeper down. I like to remove just the top little portion there, a little debris, organic matter. So then just put it in your bucket here. Get your bucket, tap it in. I just run my finger and I just push out the sample. I've already collected about 20 or 30 samples of this area. Take a look in the bucket. And that's just gonna give us a good representation of what our soil is looking like this year. So you get these little clumps in here, just break them up from your soil probe. But other than that, you can use Western Laboratories for your soil sample. You can use Yukon, but this year, I think I'm gonna use Western Laboratories. I might go Yukon. Yukon seems like a little cheaper version. Same quality, but it's definitely just cheaper to do Yukon. A lot of growers use Western Laboratories, but I've used Western Laboratories for the past couple years. I might just keep using those guys. Good service, fast turnaround times. But until next time, growing big.